how to make a Prizepicks account without a verification. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss whether or not it is possible for us to create a Prizepicks account and start using, but without a verification step. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're trying to make a Prizepicks account but without a verification, let us explore what are the options that we have. So first of all, we can simply go ahead and then basically go to prizepicks.com. Now Prizepicks, unlike other services, will require you to verify account just whenever you are trying to sign up or create an account. So you cannot create or complete your account unless your identity has been verified. Now, what are the things that you need for verification? If we go to the help center and request it, you can see on verification, Prizepicks will ask us for the last 4 digits of our SSN. They will also ask to submit a photo of our government valid ID, and there they will see what happens when you submit your ID and so on. So these are the reasons why Prizepicks ask for a verification. The reason they do so is because they have to ensure or verify that you are a real citizen of the country that you're trying to register from. And if Prizepicks cannot verify that you are a real citizen, which is not possible without a government issued card, then in that case you will not be able to create a Prizepicks account. So unfortunately, it is not possible for us to create Prizepicks account without verification. I hope the video helped you out and at least give you a little bit of insight into this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.